Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Zaatar seasonings. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you're joining us on. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a za'atar spice. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with a half a cup of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of some toasted sesame seeds, and 1.5 tablespoons of ground sumac. Now I can get sumac. I got mine on Amazon. I'll leave the link is down below in the description box for my Amazon store. You can purchase it off that. The link will be down there for the link to the link, so you can buy it. And I do have to let you know that I just make a percentage of that purchase because it's an affiliate. So let's go ahead and just start mixing this up. All right, basically I'm just going to put the thyme right in there. The toasted sesame seeds, I toasted these before, so they are going to add a little bit more nuttiness to this. And this is your sumac. You just basically want to just mix this all up. So there is your za'atar seasoning. Let's take some photos and we'll come back and we'll talk a little bit more about this. Alright, we've got the beautiful breadsticks here with this za'atar. I made some za'atar oil for dipping. You can brush the breadsticks with it too, or you can just dip it right in there. But let's give this a taste. Very good. Taste the thyme. You definitely taste the difference in the toasted sesame seeds. So this is a really good mixture. This varies from city to city in the Middle East, from house to house, neighborhood to neighborhood. There's marjoram in there. There's all kinds of different variations of this za'atar spice, but we made a very simple one. It came right out of the Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Just the 3 ingredients that we showed you: thyme, thyme, toasted sesame seed, and the sumac. So the oil, I've got this recipe here attached to the one that I'm going to put online for this seasoning blend too. Go to the description box to the first pinned comment down there. You'll see the link for the recipe for this. And it'll also have the recipe for this oil that we made too. I think it's olive oil, lemon zest, a clove of garlic in there. And you can see right here, we've got it all made for some more. But this is very good, definitely a good taste for this. You can add it, you don't have to add it into an oil, you can put it into butter. Very good. Alright, we did a homemade za'atar seasoning today. Check out the description box of the first pinned comment for the link for that recipe, and also the bonus recipe of the oil that we have here. Go ahead and check that out. Also go ahead and check out my own seasoning shop that I have over on itsonlyfood.biz. Check that out. I've got about 20 seasonings that I've got on there. They're all homemade blends that I've done, and they're pretty good gourmet seasonings. So just check that out. Check out, see what it's like. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food. Take care. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.